Neobucks functions a bit differently compared to other PTC and GPT websites out there. When you sign up for Neobucks, you choose a certain membership plan. This determines how much money you make per click, how many ads you see, and the quality of the ads presented. With the free standard Neobucks membership, you can earn around $0.015 per link click and ad you view. While this starting amount is relatively low, Neobucks does not have a limit on how many ads you can view or links you can click. If you would like to earn more, you can upgrade your membership. A golden membership costs $90 a year and allows you to earn a little extra per click. Still, Neobucks can be useful considering it has a low payout amount. You only need to earn $2 to cash out. The tricky thing is that Neobucks does not use typical cash-out programs like PayPal. Instead, they use either Skrill or Neteller, so you will need an account with either or these to earn.